Okay, well, thank you. Very good morning and welcome to today's media brief on the systems that we are monitoring right now. We are monitoring two systems, namely those are tropical disturbance 15F that is anchored just off the coast of Kandabu, and the other one is 14F, which is closer towards Vanuatu. But our concern as we speak right now is on the active trough that has been remained slow moving over Fiji literally over the last 24 hours, and the reason why I've been getting a lot of rainfall, and it's also the reason why there have been a significant amount of rain and also on the rise in the river level. As we speak this morning, a lot of the major rivers, there's a warning out there for literally all the rivers that are out there. This includes all the major rivers in the Western Division, also includes the upper catchment of the Rewa River. So to understand that in the Rewa River, it takes quite a while for the water to eventually come down. So the rainfall that has been experienced in the upper catchments, even though we are getting the warnings up there, it's just a matter of time eventually when they'll make it down into the lower catchments of the Rewa River. The warning is also applies for the Thalambasa River and also for the surrounding low-lying areas. So literally, the whole of the major rivers and the low-lying areas in Fiji are under flood warning as we speak. So the general advisory is for the people out there to take care of the warning, especially for those who tend to live in low-lying flood-prone areas, to move to higher ground. At the same time as well, because of the tropical disturbance 15F literally just anchored off the coast of Kandabu, it's bringing with it some very strong winds, strong north to northwest winds. And there's a warning out there primarily for the whole of Fiji, but the concern is, as we speak, is more so for the Asawa and Mamano of the group, the exposed side of Honolulu, and also for the western half of Iteleu. Winds might have speeds of 60 km per hour, and momentary gusts can extend all the way up to 80 km per hour. So it is our general advice for the people out there, the members of the public, is to take care of the warning that are coming in. For those who are living in low-lying areas that are flood-prone, please move to high ground, and also for those who tend to move around in open ponds. Some of these small outboard motors out there, to refrain from moving, because we've got an adverse weather that is affecting Fiji right now, and it's only right that we take all the necessary precaution in heeding the advice that is provided. The weather that we're experiencing, we expect it to be on us for the next few days, even though there could be some instances of some breaks in between, but this whole system is coming down on us. So this whole trough line is what's causing the rain that we're getting. So you're looking into more of Wednesday or into the early hours of Thursday is when the system will clear, and then will tend to swing around into a more south to southeasterly direction. So you have another three or so days on us, the system that we get. Yes, as we speak right now, the system tropical disturbance 15F, there is already a clear warning that is out for overwaters only in between Fiji and Vanuatu. This system will move towards the southeast. Our concern now turns to the other system, tropical disturbance 14F, which is closer to Vanuatu. There is a high probability of it developing into a tropical cyclone within the next 24 to 48 hours. Even with that happening, the track is expected to pass to the west of Fiji. So as we speak, our concern right now is on the heavy rain and the associated flooding that comes along with it.
How much rain are you expecting in the next till Thursday morning?
Over the course of the last 24 hours since 9 a.m. yesterday morning, we've been receiving some very good rainfall on the ground. And the Rivatu, almost 290 mils in just 24 hours. Some of the other stations are almost reaching 200 as well. And with all this water that we are getting, with all the amount of rainfall that's falling, it will all just run off at the surface. So the probability of prolonged rainfall over the course of the next few days is literally up there for us.